Hey there, I'm Alex, and today we're connecting Cursor to your MailerLite account because AI is getting integrated into every facet of our lives. I'm kidding. Or am I? Imagine writing documentation and asking Cursor to pull your actual email templates as examples, or building a landing page and checking your subscriber segments without leaving your editor. Let's get this set up. First, make sure you have the Cursor application installed on your computer. A quick privacy note before we start. You're giving Cursor permission to access your MailerLite data when you request it. Nothing happens automatically, and you're always in control. There's a direct installation link that launches Cursor and begins the connection process automatically. I'll include that in the description. When you click it, your browser will show a security prompt asking permission to open Cursor. Just click Allow. And then in the new window, click the Install button to start the setup. The MailerLite connector will show up with a Needs Login status. Click that link to start authorization. Go ahead and review the permissions and click Authorize, then click Open in the final pop-up window to finalize the connection. If you're on Cursor's free plan, you might see an Exceeding Total Tools Limit warning. The free plan supports a maximum of 40 active tools, and MailerLite's MCP adds quite a few. Don't worry though. You can manage this by going to the MailerLite MCP connector settings and enabling or disabling specific tools based on what you actually need. Most users only need a handful of the available tools active. To verify that everything's working, ask Cursor something like, "What was the open rate on my last campaign?" If you get real data back, then you're all set. If not, make sure you completed the authorization step and that you're not hitting the tool limit for the free plan. Having MailerLite and Cursor means you can pull real campaign examples while coding, verify data structures without switching contexts, and even manage campaigns while you work. For example, if you're building an integration, you can check your actual webhook payloads. Or, if you're writing documentation, you can pull real campaign examples. The workflow improvements are subtle but significant. No more alt-tabbing to check field names, and no more guessing at data structures. Just ask and get real answers from your actual account. Alrighty, real talk for a second. I just taught you how to connect an AI-powered code editor to your email marketing platform, so you can query subscriber data while writing code. And here I am, still manually asking you to smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more of the best email marketing tutorials around. And if you're ready to experience what happens when your development environment knows your marketing data, there's a free MailerLite trial waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.